How to use Robinhood app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In order to use Robinhood app, it's very simple. Now using the Robinhood app is relatively straightforward. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you'll have to install the application. For that, head over to your respective app store, and then on the search box you'll have to type in Robinhood. After that, you'll be able to find the particular application, so click the install button and then wait for the application to be installed. After you're done installing the application, you'll have to create an account. So in order to create an account, it's very simple. All you have to do is just provide in your information. That includes entering your personal details, contact details, creating password, and all sort of things. Now in my case, I've already created an account. So after you're done creating your account, you can fund your account. So you can either connect your bank account to transfer the funds for trading, and then you can deposit the desired amount into your Robinhood account to start trading. After that, you can navigate the interface such as home screen. So after you're logged in, you'll see the home screen. After that, you can also use the bottom navigation bar to access various sections like the account, watch list, market, message, all sort of things. So as you can see right at the bottom, there are multiple tools and all sort of things. After that, you can also search for stocks or EFTs. So in order to search for stocks and EFTs, you can use the search bar tool feature located in the top right hand side corner, or you can simply go ahead and select stocks, EFTs, options, cryptos, and all sort of things. You can also place trade, which means you can either buy or sell. In order to do that procedure, first of all, you'll have to select the particular stock. So for that, let's go with the search bar tool. Select the particular asset that you wish to buy or sell. So let's go with this one. Next page is going to take you to the info page. Here you'll be able to find the option and trade located right at the bottom. In order to trade, you have to have a funds, only then you can begin with the trading process. So click the trade button. Next page, you'll be provided with two different options, that is either buy or sell. So accordingly, you can select it and then you can follow the prompt in order to buy or sell asset. You can also create watch list, which means organizing stocks or EFTs by creating watch lists based on category like sectors, favorites, or market trends, etc. And apart from it, you can also monitor the stocks in your watch list, and then you can monitor the stocks in your watch list and then their price movement throughout the trading day. You can also check your portfolio to see holdings, their current value, and performances. So these were some of the basic guide on how you can use Robinhood account. Now remember that to conduct your research, understand the risk involved in trading as well, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.